Hey, bright morning everyone. Today we'll discuss the difference between being rich and wealthy and being poor and broke. Do you know the difference? Yeah, let's start. First, rich versus wealthy. Okay. Being rich means having a high paying job or a high income business. No, so having a big house, supercars perhaps, or you know, the good things in life na tinatawag. Check, check. Are you rich right now? The thing is, being rich is temporary. So you may have a high paying job right now or even a big business right now, but things are uncertain. So things may happen beyond your control. So with that, medyo pwede maapektuhan yung trabaho mo. Sample, you're high paying executive, no? So high earning job, no, being an executive, 6 digits, 7 digits, no? So most of the time pag ganyan, high din yung lifestyle, no? So nag-a-adjust kasi yung lifestyle eh pag malaki yung sweldo. That's what you call lifestyle inflation, no? So malaki ang sweldo, so bili ng mas malaking bahay, mas malaking kotse, mas maraming bling bling. Okay, so mataas yung lifestyle. Kaso mo biglang may di inaasahan na nangyari. The company got sold. The company went bankrupt. Yung employer. So what happens? Na lay off sa trabaho. So bigla na lang nawala yung malaking sweldo. Problem is, nakatali na yung cash flow. No? Hulugan ng bahay, malaking amortization. Sa malaking amortization ng kotse, di ba? The bigger car, so yung loan payments, malaki din. So biglang lumaki, so yung lifestyle ngayon hindi ma-support na. So what happens? So suddenly, bagsak ang finances. So being rich is a temporary thing. You may be rich now, but something happens, suddenly affected yung finances, no? Biglang downsize. Okay, so yun ang being rich eh. You may afford a lot of things, but when something happens, sapul agad ang finances. As opposed to being wealthy, no? So wealthy means kahit anong mangyari, you're an executive, biglang na-retrench, so sapul ang finances. But since you are wealthy, then you are able to recover right away, or your finances can absorb that shock. How? Kasi since you are wealthy refers to your mindset. Rich is a condition, wealth is a mindset. Pag wealthy ang mindset mo, kahit ano mangyari, makaka-recover ka. Why? First, having a wealthy mindset means na paghandaan mo, diba, yung mga financial shocks that can affect your lifestyle or finances. Meaning, you have stored up wealth so that should something happen, hindi apektado ng malaki yung iyong lifestyle, your family, your finances. So that's being wealthy. Having a wealthy mindset also means, no, that you still believe, no, I can recover, I can lose everything, but I know since I have the skill, no, the ability, plus yun na nga, the mindset, that you can recover from the ruins, then most probably you will. Diba? So sample, isang businessman, nalugi yung isa niyang negosyo. That doesn't mean he is a failure. The business may fail, but the person is not a failure. Why? Because he can rebuild. Because he has a wealthy mindset. He knows that it's a stepping stone, No, he will restart. He will start not from scratch, but from experience. Kaya, that's a wealthy person. Kaya mga business people, no, pag tinanong mo sila, have you been broke? Sabihin nila, most of the time, yes, several times. But being broke doesn't mean they are broken, because they have that ability to bounce back, no? To bounce back higher. There is a new term for that right now. It's called anti-fragility. Meaning, there will be setback, no? Para daw bola yan eh. Pag binounce mo, hindi lang actually dun sa same level that it fell, but it will bounce back higher. That's anti-fragility. So going back, that's a wealthy mindset, no? So again, being rich is temporary, being wealthy is permanent. Diba? Being rich is temporary. So it's a condition. Being wealthy is a mindset. Okay, just to continue, let me tell you a story about being rich and being wealthy. So I'm reminded of the story of Elon Musk. So as we know, no, he's one of the richest, actually I would say wealthiest person right now on earth. No? Naglalaro sa first or second siya ngayon sa wealthiest person in the world. And well, he never started right away ng ganon, no? So as you know, diba, he started yung PayPal muna yung nauna eh. But even before that, may isa pa siyang internet company, no? But yung PayPal yung isang biggest success niya by far at that time. So what he did was he sold PayPal, and well, he made hundreds of millions, no, dito sa deal na to. Pas a million pa, hindi pa billion nun. So what he did, ang passion niya kasi is engineering, no? He really wanted to send people to aerospace engineering, no? To space or to Mars. He had this childhood dream. So he never considered yung pag-sold niya sa PayPal as the end. It's just a means, so to speak. So at that time, imagine mo, you sold the company, so you are rich, di ba? Rich siya nun, no? Dami niya milyones. But he still risked it in the pursuit of his dream of sending people to Mars. So what he did was, sabi niya, ang dream niya is to make the human species a multi-planetary species. Grabe, no vision. Alright, so going back. So he risked it. And he put up a company called SpaceX. SpaceX, ang pinaka-objective nila was to make yung pag-send, yung rockets na reusable. Kasi super mahal, no, ang pag-send ng spaceship noon, no? Because pagka-launch, tapon na. But nakita niyo naman ngayon yung mga rocket ni SpaceX bumabalik sa platform, so reusable. Pero hindi ganoon nag-umpisa yung. So balik tayo sa story. So he invested all his earnings from the proceeds ng PayPal, and he had only 3 or 4 chances, no, to make the rockets, mga test launch niya, to make it reusable, yung bumabalik, walang error, hindi sumasabog. Pero the first attempt, so nag-research siya, nag-hire siya ng maraming expert, the best of the best engineers, no? So they launched the first rocket. It was a failure. So they did not stop. So alam niya naman yun eh, no, being a maverick entrepreneur. So tinignan nila ano yung mali, adjust sila. They again tried a second launch. So boom, okay, mas mataas, no? Kaso mo sabog ulit. Alright, second, failure. And then the third, again, failure. Sabi niya, he had a month's left of cash flow, of runway, no? To mga entrepreneurs, startup entrepreneurs knows that, no, na eto na yung last chance niya. He had a choice, salvage what is left dun sa capital niya, yung natitira niyang pera, and then, just put up another business perhaps, no, na hindi katulad ng SpaceX. But, sabi niya, hindi, this is it. He had a wealthy mindset. Sabi niya, ngayon pa ba ako mag-stop? I've learned a lot already from the 3 failures. I'm not starting from scratch, I'm starting from experience. So, he did the 4th launch, and lo and behold, he succeeded this time. What happened was, he did not have a rich mindset, not for temporary lang, but wealthy mindset, no? Growth mindset. That's why he is now one of the wealthiest people. Sabi niya, I may fail, no, but I can recover again, no? So, and he did, no? So, kaya ganun ng mga entrepreneurs. Minsan iniisip natin, ba't di mo na lang benta, tapos mag-retire ka na, and then, you just go to the beach and sip piña colada for the rest of your life. But wealthy people do not do that because they know, diba? They live with a purpose. No? Hindi sila takot sa failure. That's being rich and being wealthy. Okay, so now, let's talk about the difference between being poor and broke. Ano ba difference ito? Tanongin mo sarili mo, are you poor or are you broke? Yeah. First, let's talk about being broke. So, are you broke? So, broke means having your expenses greater than your income. Now, being broke means kapos, di ba? Yung kita mo versus sa expenses mo. So, okay, so being broke is a temporary condition. You can be broke now, but you can still be wealthy. How? Well, ganito kasi siya. No? So, being broke means mas malaki yung outflow mo kaysa sa inflow. Right? So, that means your cash flow is not enough, no, to meet yung mga expenses mo and obligations. Yun lang yun. So, you're broke. And a lot of entrepreneurs, no, can be broke right now, but they still remain wealthy. No? Kasi, sabi nga, wealth is a mindset. No? And being broke is temporary. As compared dun sa poor mindset. Ano ba naman yung poor? Yung poor, kasi, again, it's a mindset. No, na wala nang pag-asa eh. Hanggang dito na lang ako. 'Di ba? So, kahit anong gawin ko, I don't get any breaks. No? Kahit anong gawin ko, walang nangyayari sa buhay ko. Hanggang dito na lang ako. Pinanganak akong mahirap, mamamatay akong mahirap. No? So that's poor. No? Unfortunately, being poor can be permanent. No? That's why important, no, na we check our mindset. Do you have a poor mindset or a wealthy mindset? Another poor mindset, dito ako pinanganak, dito rin ako mamamatay. Yan, poor mindset yan. No, so, and as you know, yung progress natin depends on the wealthy mindset. You know, that's why yung mga nagsasucceed are those that actually migrated to another land. Diba? So, from old world, Europe was beset with poverty. So, naghanap sila, umalis sila doon. Hanap sila ng new world. So, and they prospered there. So, dito lang. Di ba, marami tayong mga kababayan na nag-migrate sa land of milk and honey. Di ba? They went to the US and they succeeded. Hindi lang sa US, sa iba pang lugar. Why? Because they do not have that poor mentality. Poor mentality means just accepting and where you are, what your current condition is, and not doing anything about it. That's a poor mentality. Pwede kasing you accept where you are, but you can do something about it. Sabi ni Jim Rohn, you're not a tree. Diba yung tree kasi planted nandun lang eh. No? So, hindi na mga move. So, binagyo, so accept lang siya kung ano mangyari. Naputol, wala, ganun talaga eh. But fortunately, you are not a tree. I'm reminded of the saying, bloom where you are planted. Yeah, no, pwede naman yung analogy, but sa context nito, hindi eh. Diba kung nandun ka sa daanan ng bagyo, every day, every month, every year, and then you just stay there, ang ginagawa, no? So, wala, one of these days, you're bound to be cut, diba, cut down. So, anyway, going back, you are not a tree. You are a human being. You are made in the image of the Most High God. So, you have the ability, diba, to move, diba, to explore, diba, to dream, to have a goal, diba? So, sabi nga, diba, another movie, movement is life, diba? So, World War Z, you got to be moving, you got to move it, no? So, move, explore, diba? So, sabi nga ni Steve Jobs, do not accept the status quo because yung daw mga crazy ones are the ones who change the world, no? So again, going back, are you poor or are you broke? Being broke is temporary, no? Being poor is permanent. Speaking about Steve Jobs, no? Steve Jobs started as a broke person, diba? Actually, he dropped out of college, no, sa Reed University because he doesn't, kumbaga, he doesn't believe of the value nung kung ano inaaral niya. No, so he grew up from a middle class family, sending him to college, but the thing is, hindi nag-appeal sa kanya yun eh. So, you know, he just wandered around. He even, yung food niya, he used to go to this community kitchen. There he would eat his, you know, meal for the day and just rest. But from this experience, you know, he had a vision, and when he saw the opportunity, he took it. So long story short, he built Apple. Alam naman natin lahat yan. But then again, hindi pa nagtatapos yun. He made Apple a successful company, billion-dollar company at that, no? So he was rich, no, beyond his imagination. However, we know the story, no, he got fired. Yung sinasabi ko he was a CEO of his own company, no, earning millions a year. He got fired by the board. So from rich to bam, no, again broke again. Well, hindi naman entirely broke because he still had shares, but the thing is, ay kung nga being rich is temporary kasi biglang bumagsak yung income at that time. But Steve Jobs may be broke at that time, he was never broken. So he formed a new company called, type na sa chat box if you know, Next. Diba? Yun ang agad ang ano niya eh. Ang ganda nung pangalan ng next company niya. Next talaga. So, ano ibig sabihin? Diba? Okay. failed tayo dito sa level na to, sa stage na to. So sabi niya, next. Next challenge. So from next, ito na yun. That wealthy mindset, that growth mindset. He put up his next venture, the next company wherein kung ano man yung experience niya, 'di ba? Dun sa Apple, why he got fired? Because yun nga yung Macintosh at that time, sobrang mahal, no? And you know, there were a lot of decision na medyo nagkamali sila, no? Eh siya yung nag-lead nun, so he took that responsibility, accountability. So long story short, he got fired. Pero yung mga natutunan niya ron, in-apply niya. Okay, so what he did dito sa next, dito niya dinevelop yung what will be known now as iOS, no? So iOS is the operating system of the Mac and even the iPhone, which a lot of us are using right now. So because of that, he got hired again by Apple, and he took Apple and made it the most valuable trillion-dollar company that it is now. See, person may be rich at one point, no, but broke at one point, but never poor. He can be wealthy, no, because being broke is a temporary condition, no, and even being rich is a temporary condition. So ano yung gusto mo, mamili ka, poor or wealthy, diba? Poor, again, wala tayong magagawa dyan pag poor ang mindset mo, so hanggang dun ka na lang, no? Pero you have that ability, no, to change because you were given that ability. So it's a choice, no? Sabi nga, being born poor is not a sin, but dying poor, no, that is a sin. Why? Because you were created in the image of God. God created you, diba? You have a choice, you have free will, tapos hindi mo ginamit, gandong ka na lang, poor ka na lang, diba? Para kayo sa parable of the talents, no? Binaon lang yung talent niya kasi he was fearful, baka daw malugi. That's poor mentality, no? But then again, you may be broke, but choose not to be broken. Rise up, arise, pick up your mat, be well, no? Ang ganda nun eh. So that, my friend, no, you may be broke at this point, hindi mo alam kung makaka-recover ka, no? You have these sleepless nights, but behold, it's not too late, there is hope. You may be broke now, but choose not to be broken. Fight, laban lang. Develop that growth, that wealthy mindset, no? Just like these successful people that change the world, you know? So have that growth and wealthy mindset. So again, if you like the content, just hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll have much more of these. Alright, so with that, Godspeed.